Friends, today we are going to see the essay on Diwali, the festival of lights. Diwali or Deepavali is one of the India's most joyful and significant festivals, known as the Festival of Lights. It symbolizes the victory of good over evil and light over darkness. The word Deepavali means a row of lamps, and during this festival, people light diyas, means lamps, to spread happiness and positivity everywhere. The legend behind Diwali. In North India, Diwali marks the return of Lord Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile and victory over the demon king Ravana. The people of Ayodhya welcomed them by lighting thousands of lamps, making the city shine brightly. In South India, the festival celebrates Lord Krishna's victory over the demon Narkasura, while in Western India, it honors Lord Vishnu's triumph over the demon King Bali. Though the stories differ, they all share the same message, the triumph of goodness and truth. How Diwali is celebrated. Diwali is a 5 day festival, each day having its own meaning. First, Dhanateras. People clean and decorate their homes and buy gold, silver, or utensils for good luck. Second, Choti Diwali. Lamps are lit to remove negativity and welcome positivity. Third, Diwali Day means Lakshmi Puja, the most important day when people worship Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and prosperity and Lord Ganesha for wisdom. Homes glow with diyas, candles, and colorful rangoli designs. Fourth, Govardhan Puja celebrates Lord Krishna lifting Govardhan Hill to protect villagers from rain. Fifth, Bhai Dooj, a day that honors the bond between brothers and sisters. Preparations and decorations. Days before Diwali, people clean their homes, offices, and surroundings. It is believed that Goddess Lakshmi visits clean and well-lit homes, bringing fortune and peace. Colorful lights, diyas, flowers, and rangoli patterns make every corner look festive. The air is filled with joy, laughter, and excitement. Sweets and togetherness. Food plays a big role in Diwali celebrations. People prepare and share delicious sweets like laddus, burfis, and karanjis, along with savory snacks. Families visit each other, exchange gifts, and celebrate with love and warmth. Diwali strengthens relationships and spreads the spirit of togetherness. Celebrating an eco friendly Diwali. Nowadays, people are becoming aware of the environmental effects of firecrackers. Crackers cause air and noise pollution, so many families prefer to celebrate by lighting diyas and avoiding harmful fireworks. An eco-friendly Diwali keeps the air clean and makes the celebration peaceful and safe for all. Conclusion: Diwali is not just a festival of lights, but a celebration of hope, harmony, and happiness. It reminds us that truth and goodness always win in the end. The glow of diyas, the joy of family, and the message of positivity make Diwali truly special. Let's celebrate the festival with love, peace, and respect for nature, lighting up not only our homes but also our hearts. If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comment which topic you'd like to see next. Thanks.